Well, hello everybody. Welcome back. Great to see you today. We are going to be unboxing and charging up and testing out the FirstPower LP-E17 batteries with charger. So I did get this on Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description below if you're interested. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Not really a whole lot on the box, other than the front that says FirstPower. It is packaged very well. You got the charging base for 3 batteries. 1, 2, 3. And you have the charging cable. USB-A to the old style, I think they call it a USB mini. Not 100% sure. Oh, but it does look like on the bottom you can put a USB-C in there. That's good. But you also have for the old style, which I can never get right. There we go. Plug that in. Plug it into your computer, into a USB-A slot. What else do we have? Oh, we have a cleaning cloth. Nice. Nice little addition. I wasn't counting on that. I'm not sure why the cleaning cloth would be in with batteries, but okay. And then in this box, we have 1 battery, 2 batteries, 3 batteries, and that's it. So the batteries themselves is 1450 milliamps, which is actually more milliamps than what the original Canon LP-E17 is. So hopefully it will work, but we'll find out. Everything looks good. No damage or swelling that I can see. And then all you do is you take the charging port. I wonder, can you put it in backwards? Nope, you can't put it in backwards. So it's kind of a tight fit, but they do go in there. There you go. Now go ahead and I'll plug it in and charge it up. See what happens. You know what? Before I do that, I wonder if these fit and will charge in the original Canon charger. Let's see. Let's line up the pins, push it in, and nope, doesn't work. Kind of didn't think so because they're different milliamp hours, but worth a shot. I got a couple of different testing things we're going to do here. Now, of course, on the road, you want to be able to charge this thing up with a portable charger of some sort. So let's go ahead and plug this in. Ooh, it does work. I don't know if you can see that there, but we do have lights. They are charging. That's a good thing, so we know that works. Now, one thing I do want to check, though, with this USB-C, will it work with USB-C? Let me check. Plug that in. It works. Now, let's go ahead and check if these batteries actually fit into the R10. Bring over the Canon EOS R10. Pop the battery out. Nice spring-loaded. Boing. All right, let's take one of these batteries. They look the same size. Okay, so this is the original, and this is FirstPower. Let's go ahead and stick this in. Goes in this way. Oh, fits in there, okay? Now hopefully we don't... There it is. I forgot to turn it off earlier. So it does have power. It does work. It does read the battery right there. Because there were some people who said, well, does it read the charge of the battery? And there it is. It's full. So that tells me also those batteries are fresh. They weren't sitting in the warehouse somewhere. All right, so let's turn that off. And that is it. I think that's a good purchase. And I'll keep you updated if there are any issues. But unless I do that, we're good to go. And as always, have a great day.